Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these 2x2 LED light panels. So I'm going to show you how to hook the wires up, then we're going to see how to change the color and turn them on. Okay, so around back you have to take this screw out. Underneath this panel here are 3 wires. You've got a white, a black, and a green. You're going to hook those up accordingly. You also have to get your wires through this knockout. So you have to take one of those knockouts off and put a cable clamp in there. It does come with the wire nuts, but it doesn't come with this extra wire or these cable clamps. So you can put one of these cable clamps, just poke one of those out, put the screwdriver in there and knock it back and forth, and that'll come out. And then when you screw that on, your wires will go through there. Okay, so the light panel looks really nice, but you have 3 colors. Now the way you're going to change the color is you're going to turn it off and back on really quick. Now that goes into the white light. Off, on. There's the 3000. There's the 4000 color. There's the 5000. Now, if I turn it off and if it lasts more than 10 seconds with it off, it'll retain that color. There. See, now it retains that color. But if I do it really quick, it changes color. But if I turn it off for more than 10 seconds, now turn it on, it stays the same color it was. If you've got a bunch of these light panels and they get mismatched colors, you're supposed to turn it on and off 3 times. So on, there. Now it'll go back to the 5000K light color. So under normal operation, you'll just turn the switch off, and then the next time you come back into the room, you'll turn the switch back on and it should go back to the same color. But it has to be more than 10 seconds between flipping it on and off. So now let's turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, now it stayed the same color. And the instructions give us this information on how to change the color, how to fix the color, and then how to reset it to make all the lights the same color. So these are dimmable, and there's the dimmers that it recommends. And so here I can just take one of these ceiling tiles out, and then this will just drop down in the place of that ceiling tile, and it works really good. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.